Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Moonique, and today I brought you a Goody vending machine. So this is how it works. So let's get started. Okay, how it works is you put a coin or 25 cents or a quarter inside here. Let me just close that up. Put it in there. Push and pull. So we got this, a Hello Kitty card. So to see the scan card, put the card through there like so. Gotta shake it in there. Okay, guess that's good. And then now you can push and pull again, and then you'll get a free prize. So I will show you a 360 turn. I'll give you a 360 turn of what the whole box looks like. Okay. So I made this out of a Nike Air Force One. I was too lazy to paint the whole thing because it took way too long. And now I will show you the basics inside that box. So if you want to refill this, you don't just stick your hand up there. No. So yeah, we're going to get straight into that. So once you turn the box and open it, you'll see this. So let me take you on a tour. So, this is the little coin slot. So this is what it looks like when you insert it. You can also do it with $1, like this, $1. And then this is the little card slot. Like if you have this Hello Kitty card, you can just easily slide it in like this. You must push it until it hits the floor like that. And then if you want to refill this, you can just put it like that. Yay! Okay. Stay on. Don't move. Okay, so this is the contraption. So if you push and pull the button, like right there, so this is what will happen. And this gap will allow the prize to fall. Like if you fill that up like this, like that, push and pull the button, and then it will drop right there. And then you can pick up your prize. So yeah. This is a stand, like a display, so that you can look out the window like that. You can look out on the window. So yeah, and this is like another display. You're probably wondering what is this for? So if you put this all the way and then you try to close it, it will just leave it like that, and then you can't. But if you cut a slit right there, you can close it fully. Like that. So I'm going to show you the demonstration again. Let me shorten my camera. Okay. So first you must grab your coins. Okay.
Son? Johnny?
So yeah, hope you liked that clip. So I'll meet you back outside the box. Okay. So this is what it looks like. So I used this plastic and like hot glue. It's from like last year when we had like big plastic bags that we can store our stationery in. And then I cutted my bag to fit this. So yeah. So yeah, that's my demonstration. Hope you like it. So yeah, I'll just show you around the box. Okay, starting from this, from the title onto this little picture of donut and a milkshake,
After you go toilet.
a star, baby face, a liked face or a thumbs up, scan card, Hello Kitty, and this thing, a quarter, prize, and then collect prize, and then push and pull. This one's supposed to be the scan, like please scan if you have a card, and then you're supposed to like, hold on. Take your card and then swipe it, beep, and then yeah, but instead I decided to put it through this. Like that's the lazy way. This is like the helpful people way. And you're wondering if these actually fit? Of course they do. Why wouldn't they? Okay, so starting with number 1. This looks like a flag, but who cares? Just fit it through there. Come on, fit in there. Okay. Yeah, it made it. See that? Now we're gonna add another one. Come on, fall down. You have to take the box. And then, yeah, I think that's the end of our video. Well, I'll see you later. Goodbye. I'll show you another update if I update it. So see you later.